Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a little haul, just a little haul. I'm a little afraid to order too much at a time anyway from Aliexpress. That's what this is, Aliexpress right here. But fortunately, so far, oh good, I got a doll right here to show what I had in mind. So far, we have not had extra tariffs. Now, we've been paying, they have a little number that they add to your cost on AliExpress now. And it takes Blythe dolls. They really have gotten expensive. All right, this is wrapped and wrapped and wrapped. I wanted one of these anyway to wear. It is a, oh, that's cute, that red and black. I'd probably do it on this hand. It is a ring watch. Really like that. Cute, cute for Valentine's Day. But what I bought it for, look, it matches her stand too. What I bought it for is to see if it would make a cute, oh, I don't think it'll go on because of the thumb. Nope, that's not going to work. Okay. Well, it's still cute for me. And I'll have Darren look at it, see if maybe it'll do something. I am going to put this back in, well, you know what, not right now. And then I got another one because they were less than, oh, they were less than $2. I think one was less than $1.50. So I really like this one. I thought it was adorable. I wonder if that's too big for, we'll check it right now because I got a doll here. Look at that cat. Isn't that the cutest? It's actually silver, but it shows up black on camera, or blacker. Let's see how, it's pretty big on her, the watch itself. And, can't get it over the, wait a minute, maybe I can. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see if
Here you could take the hands off.
Oh, yes, I could. It's not something I think of because I hate wearing down limbs, pulling them off. See how tight that is? It won't be one day if you keep taking it off and changing clothes and doing this and doing that. That'll loosen up. It slides around. Well, that's a shame. It's cute, though. Cute, cute, cute. So I have 2 new watches. I like them. I really do. All right, so what else did I get? Luckily, I think I have all the dolls in here. I want to cut careful. I think I have all the dolls in here that I want to try this stuff on. Darren made the mistake of showing me, oh, that might be a little big. You know what? Let's just cut that. And I want to take all this off. That'll be, pull that off. See, it's a little milk bottle. It's too big for this one. But I'll bet it'd be cute for like my 6 and 8 inch. We'll check that later. I just thought that was cute. Those little silicone babies, I absolutely love those. I really like the Zuru babies. They're just so stinking cute.
So don't leave me hanging. What did I make the mistake of showing you?
Oh, that I could buy on AliExpress from local, but then that was more expensive than, the local prices were more expensive than buying from China and adding on the couple bucks they say for tariffs. Okay, this is for my little boo, my little 12-inch who's not in here. My little 12-inch silicone baby. So that's pretty cute. She could wear some little pants with tights with that for Valentine's Day. And if it doesn't fit, guess what? It'll fit these dolls or a bitty baby. So that will work. But I know I've put Boo in 18-inch doll clothes. So, oh, and this I think is for my Elf 20-inch silicone Elf baby. I got this for Easter. I thought it was cute. I want to join in on the little collabs and stuff. Yeah, that's cute. I'll bet that fits her just really cute. My little 20-inch. That's cute. Okay, so that's what I got from AliExpress. Let's set this aside and show you what I got on eBay. I have been working on setting up collabs for 2026. I have several. If I trying to remember if with the challenges that Dory and I do each month, Amaya Rain, Hi Barbie, and Dolls Gone Goth, I have something for every month. But I think I actually have I do have a collab for every month, because I've got a monthly collab that we're going to be doing. And yes, I knew this box was tore up. And I have some others set up, and I'm still setting up more. This is going to be... Let's just get her out. I knew the box was tore up. She was about $10 cheaper. These have really gotten expensive again. She was about $10 cheaper than any of the other Mimi Bobecks on eBay. And I still paid over $30 with shipping. Let's see how quick I could get her out and check her out. What I want to see, this is going to be for a collab coming up, but it's down the, I'll do this later. But there she is. Glad to have her. Glad to have found her inexpensively. I only want the body. Look what this did. I didn't even think about it on the plastic here. Look what the UV, this must have been in the sunlight. You can see it on the plastic. This was inside this box. This was destroyed because of it. Don't leave your dolls in the sunlight. This is, I've opened many. How many do you think? 15?
Oh, yeah.
At 20 maybe? And never had that before. So one of my little chubby Blythes is going to have a little suntan. That's, I'm very disappointed about that, but I don't know.
Might try some Zit Zap.
Yeah. And I got a note from Holly that one of these little boxes still had a little gift inside. This is from the Smart Doll Christmas gift exchange. And this one feels a little heavier. So I'm going to open aren't these the cutest? I thought it was oh my goodness. I did not peek after I talked to Holly. I was ill and I couldn't get back to it. But isn't that the cutest little stocking? And there's stuff in, oh my God. Look at this. And this thing is stuffed. Talk about stocking stuffers. Anyway, Holly from Holly's Dolly Hobby had sent me the most remarkable gift. Go back and see that video. Oh my God. And I opened one of the boxes. It didn't have anything in it. I thought it was just decor, because she adds decor. Oh my God, look at this stuff. Oh, this is fantastic. Anyway, I got a note from Holly saying there was more in there, so I want to do it on a video. And, oh, look at this. I love the little stocking. It's real vintage. Oh, come on. There's two more in here I can feel. Oh, look at that cookie cutter. That's adorable. And there's something else, and I don't want to... There we go. Another. Oh, wait. There's yet another. Oh, that's funny because Darren made some of these this year. Look at these items. Oh, my God, Holly. And the way you had this stuffed, I love this stocking. Holly, I can't say enough about the gift you sent at Christmas. I'm still...
Double check the other box.
I think I did. I didn't peek in them. I think the little... Something was in this one. Anyway, how cute is that? Holly, I can't thank you enough. What a wonderful surprise. These are just adorable. I absolutely love the Nutcracker. When my kids were little, at Christmas time, I either did a ceramic, painted a ceramic Nutcracker or bought a Nutcracker, and we dated them on the feet each year. I don't think any of them still have their collection, but it was a thought that count. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Go by and see Holly. Go back and see this video where she gave me the dress with all the trim. Look in here. This is a hint of some of the stuff that was in that Christmas box. It was incredible. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe.